This briefing, produced by Virtualization Options LLC, is designed for the IT professional. We map the telecommunications spectrum from its origins in 1840s telegraphy to the AI-driven 6G networks currently in development. Understanding this evolutionary arc provides the context required to manage today's converged networks. This chart defines the standard three-layer hierarchy of telecommunications. The physical layer manages raw signal transmission, the logical layer governs data structure, and the application layer delivers user-facing services. The Nyquist-Shannon sampling theorem bridged the analog and digital worlds, establishing an 8 kHz sampling rate to capture the 300 to 3400 Hz range of the human voice. The legacy public switch telephone network used this standard to operate circuit-switched paths, which held a dedicated connection for the duration of a call, regardless of actual data transmission. Pulse code modulation enabled the transition to digital, quantizing voice into 64 kbps channels that could be bundled into T1 or E1 circuits using time division multiplexing. This diagram shows the OSI reference model, the framework ensuring vendor interoperability by dividing communication into 7 layers. This isolates transport services in Layer 4, like TCP and UDP, from the specific characteristics of the physical medium at Layer 1. These frameworks remain relevant because they define the error tolerances and physical boundaries that every digital protocol must still navigate. As bursty data traffic grew to dominate enterprise networks, the rigid, dedicated circuits of traditional telephony became inefficient. Packet switching led to the adoption of IPv6, which uses a 128-bit address space to provide 340 undecillion unique addresses, eliminating the scarcity constraints of the 32-bit IPv4 protocol. Wide area networks moved from static lease lines to MPLS and modern SD-WAN, which uses software to steer traffic across multiple paths based on real-time link quality. Voice over IP completed this shift by digitizing and packetizing audio, allowing voice services to run as UDP streams over standard IP infrastructure. This transition moved enterprise communications away from hardware-defined circuits toward flexible, software-based routing. Telecommunications and cloud computing have converged, with legacy hardware functions now virtualized and running on commodity data center servers. This convergence allows carriers to deliver core network functions as distributed applications, blurring the line between local infrastructure and the hyperscale cloud. Physical hardware is evolving to support this, including 5G MIMO for massive IoT density and software-defined optical networks that reroute individual wavelengths remotely. Network operations are shifting toward closed-loop automation, where AI-driven systems monitor telemetry and execute management actions to maintain service quality without manual intervention. Telecommunications is now a programmable, AI-operated nervous system rather than a simple transport mechanism. Modern professional competency now requires integrating radio physics, software architecture, and security policy. The highest value belongs to those who can translate these physical constraints into high-level business intent. Proceed to Chapter 1 to begin.